Hey guys, hope you're all doing well, staying safe and warm as these days are winter storms timing. Though it's cold outside, I wanted to do for this weather two lunch options, which will be Ossetian and Russian. You will see at the end those two style lunches. Let's get started. I wanted to share with you a simple recipe of pickled cabbage. I'm going to make holes as the cabbage has been sitting in the mixture for 3 days. It's recommended to have it sit for 3 or 4 days, and you can use anything. In this case, I'm using simply a knife or any other kind of stick that you have around will work. As for the recipe, I used small size of cabbage, half of it. I shredded it, and then I took middle size of carrot and shredded that as well. Then you want to mix them together and put them into, if you have a glass bottle, that would work best, but I didn't have that, and that's why I'm using just a glass bowl. And then you want to make separately a mixture of boiling water, 2 cups of it, with 1 tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to cover it with plate to give it some tension and to let the liquid out. You can use anything that would work for you. Let it sit, like I mentioned, for 3-4 days, and it should be ready to serve. Now I'm going to put a glass of water for heaviness, and later I will show you my way of serving.